slots. So sometimes there on a particular slot there may be some conditions you can't take all the numbers for granted. So for example, find the total number of diagonals in a octagon. So here in your question your target is to find the total number of diagonals. So in order to form a diagonal you require two vertices. So your task is to select two vertices. Now if you select 1 as the first vertices and 5 as the second vertices, or 5 as the first vertices and 1 as the second vertices, you will get the same diagonal. So there is no change in the diagonal. So it means that even if you interchange both the slots, the result what you are going to get is same. Now so first slot you can take any one of the point out of 8 points. So you can fill the first slot in 8 ways, and second slot it is a conditional slot. So here you can't take all the numbers for granted. Suppose if you take 1 as the first, if you take your first point as 1, so you can't select 2 as the second point, or even you can't select 8 as the second point, because from 1 to 2 you will get a side but you don't get a diagonal. So because of that, three things out of 8 points, you for your second slot you can't select 1 or 2 or 8. So three options gone away, so you have only 5 choices. So that's why the second slot you can fill it in 5 ways. Now even if you select 1 to 5 or 5 to 1, it doesn't make any difference. So that's why it is a problem related to selections. When it is a selections question, divide with your slot number. So it comes to 8 into 5 divided by 1 into 2. So totally it will be 40 by 2. So you can form 20 diagonals.